for Xiaomi Fi, and today we're looking at the all-new, approximately 46 by 18 by 12 and 125 milliamp hour battery, which should give you a magnetic charger on the back of the Mi Band. Pretty nice 6-axis sensor to detect movement, and for step 5 ATM waterproof rating, so it can be easily used. And once it's paired over Bluetooth, you can change some of the watch settings from how many calories you've burned and track on how you're moving. Faces. The global version has some different watch faces than the Chinese. The cool thing is that it does work on both using the Mi Band. This has got running, cycling, rowing machine, but also a notification to notify you when it notices that you've been sitting too long, letting you know that you should stand up. 24-hour sleep monitoring.